Villa Cuatro Bed and Breakfast Resort. Villa Cuatro is located at Barangay 42, Apaya, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. Villa Cuatro's target market are families, locals, and tourists who value comfort, affordability, and warm hospitality.
I will be discussing hotel rooms and services, room size and features, our main villa of Villa Cuatro. We have 5 bedroom with 6 king size beds and 1 queen size bed. Each room has a private room or comfort room and mini refrigerator. Views, beach, pool or garden depending on a room. Villa features billiard table, electric mahjong table, refrigerator, microwave oven, and coffee maker. We have also 3 two-bedroom villas, Villa Nayarit, Villa Maya, and Villa Vancouver. 2 bedrooms each with private bathroom or comfort room, amenities, refrigerator, microwave, and coffee maker. Fully air-conditioned, including living room. 3 one-bedroom villas, 1 bedroom with private bathroom, refrigerator, coffee maker, and microwave. Fully air-conditioned. Restaurant, food and beverage outlets. Complimentary breakfast for all guests. On-site resto bar offering. Variety of meals served throughout the day. Signature cocktails, local and imported beers, premium hard liquors. Public areas. Accessible to all reserved guests. Swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, massage area. Amenities. Wi-Fi available throughout the resort. Mini gym, swimming pool, spa services, ATV rides, mini basketball court, volleyball court. Business facilities. Fully air-conditioned function hall, LCD projector, professional lighting and sound system, suitable for meetings, seminars, parties, and events. Front desk service for events for guest services, front desk officer for inquiries and reservations, room attendants for housekeeping and guest comfort, on-site masseur for massage services, personalized cooking services upon request.
The first one is guest room. Each room is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring a private bathroom with hot and cold showers, complete toiletries, premium linens, comfortable beds, and functional furniture such as desk, closet, and beside table. Added amenities include Wi-Fi, flat screen TV, refrigerator, microwave, minibar, and coffee tea making facilities. Rooms are well lit, air conditioned, properly ventilated, and maintained daily by housekeeping. So we have additional amenities. To enhance guest comfort, the resort offers a cozy lunch, landscape garden, free parking, and high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the property, ensuring both relaxation and convenience during their stay. The second one is guest services. We provide 24 hours front desk and concierge service so guests can always reach us. Services include daily housekeeping, luggage assistance, laundry and transport arrangements, a freshly prepared breakfast buffet with both local and international selection is served daily in a clean, comfortable dining area. Guests may also easily contact staff from their rooms for any requests or assistance. So the third one is safety and sanitation. The resort follows strict cleaning and sanitation schedules for guest rooms, dining areas, and public spaces. Fire safety is ensured with fire extinguisher, smoke detectors, sprinkler systems, and clearly marked emergency exits. CCTV and trained security staff provide added safety, while a first aid kit and quick access to medical assistance are always available. Accessible rooms and ramps are provided to accommodate guests and disabilities. We have also sustainability and community support. We promote eco-friendly practices by segregating and recycling waste, using energy efficient lighting and appliances, and encouraging towel and linen reuse to conserve water. Water saving fixtures are installed throughout the property. We also support the local community by sourcing fresh, locally grown ingredients for our breakfast meals.
And I'm going to discuss the justification first. Comprehensive comfort and amenities. The quality of the hotel's rooms is a major factor in star rating. Our rooms include private bathrooms with hot and cold showers, premium linens and air conditions, and modern convenience like Wi-Fi, TV, and minibars. These features show we provide a high level of comfort and convenience that guests expect at 4-star hotel. Regular housekeeping and proper maintenance also enhance the overall guest experience. Exceptional guest services, providing services such as for 24 hours front desk and concierge, daily housekeeping, luggage assistant, and transport arrangement demonstrates our commitment to guest satisfactions. The availability of a well-prepared breakfast buffet with a variety of options further enhance our offering. These services reflect the professionalism and attention to the guest needs required for a 4-star rating. Third, strong commitment to safety and sustainability. Guest safety and well-being are critical in hospitality. Our hotel follows strict cleaning protocols, has fire safety equipment and emergency plans, and employs trained security staff. Accessible facilities show inclusivity, which is important at this level. Furthermore, our eco-friendly practices, the support of the local community, show responsibility beyond just guest comfort, which is increasingly valued in 4-star properties.
Fourth, engage the guest facility in leisure areas. The resort include additional amenities like a cozy lodge and speed garden-free parking and high-speed Wi-Fi route. And the property these facilities provide with space, relax, and socialize, adding volume beyond the room itself with hallmark of 4-star hotel. Fifth, attention details and personalized service. Your staff are trained to respond commonly guests and requests and provide the personalized assistance, ensuring an exceptional hospitality experience. These attention details critical for meeting the expectation associated with a 4-star rating.
And for our reflection as a group, working on this project helped us understand how important the Department of Tourism, or the DOT, star rating system is in the hospitality and tourism industry. It's not just a way to classify hotels but a set of clear standards that ensure the consistent quality, safety, and service across different properties. This consistency helps travelers feel confident when choosing accommodations, knowing what to expect from a 4-star hotel like ours. We also learned that the rating system encourages hotels to continuously improve their facilities, staff skills, and sustainability efforts. This benefit guests by providing better experiences and help the local community through eco-friendly practices and support for local businesses. The system pushes hotels to meet international standards, which strengthens tourism and attract more visitors. Overall, the DOT's star rating system plays a key role in maintaining high-quality hospitality services, promoting responsible tourism, and helping travelers make informed decisions. This project gave us a deeper appreciation of the standard hotel most meet to provide safe, comfortable, and enjoyable stay. And this is our topic for today. Thank you for listening, everyone. And that's all. Thank you.